Okay, the soap is ready. It's already solidified, and I brought it from the mold. So there are different ways you can go about cutting it. Do you hear? Yes. Okay, so if you like, you can use your cutter to cut it, which I've taught us before. If you like, you can use your knife in absence of cutter. But today I want to make some other design. I want to cut with this square shape, okay, and then a circle shape. Okay, so let's see how we go about it. So what we just do is pick one corner here and then press it down. Press it down.
So you got to down.
Yes, you are getting it. Just go down, go down, go down.
After going down,
go down,
go down again. Very square.
Yes, you see that?
Yeah.
You see how it cut it very neat.
That's very
giving you a square shape. Okay. Yes.
That's
so you can go on and on like that, and I will cut the one with square too, with circle. Okay.
Push
so
it.
you can go to those ones.
Go down. Go down. Ah. Now move it. Yeah. You know.
So you bring it out from it. So you can go, you can do any way you want. You know, I've got a circular shape. We have got a rectangular shape. So we can also cut with a knife. Let us go and cut with a knife.
It's your butt.
So
Nice.
these pieces, we are going to rebatch it. Okay.
This is a square shape again.
Yes, it's a square shape.
And you back this one. You back this one. If you cut it like a straight line.
Let's cut. We are going to cut a rectangular shape too. So this is a rectangular shape. Okay, you can see this place longer, this place shorter. So we have rectangular shape. We are going to rebatch this one. So okay. So we still cut another rectangular shape. You see, your knife is not straight, so you need cutter, proper cutter. And I sell cutters. I sell cutters, so you can reach me for your cutters too. Don't shake it too. We are doing a lot of experiments. Okay, so we have square shape, and then this one you can cut it into two. Well, these ones are for personal uses, so we are not using it, selling it. I love this shape. I love this circle shape, and I love this square shape too. Let me perfect the shape very well. Okay, very fine. So you remember our soap, I said it has honey. That's the color of the honey there. Beautiful. And then this is moisturizing soap. Okay, thanks so much for watching, and then reach me for your private teaching. Okay, private tutorial. Children, say bye today. Bye. My grandchildren will be staying with me throughout. Bye bye. See you again. Don't forget to buy my ebook. God bless you. See you next